let's go, Austin.
Good hustle, Jonah. Herb Digger. Attaboy, good job.
Anything close, buddy?
Good job.
Good job. Run, Asher.
Run.
Hey!
Nope.
Drawing club too. Oh hell no.
Creeping. Nobody. Mark.
Hope he might be. I've probably got buffalo chicken, but no hot sauce.
Good play.
Don't think about it. Watch the ball, track it to your back.
Come on now. One's all we need, boys.
Somebody at home.
Out. Good job, Jonah.
Come on, Will. There we go.
Hello, boy. Good job, Will.
Get in here. Come on. Turn them on. Good job, baby.
Good job, Jonah.
Thank you.
He's the only freshman, right? Or, yeah, he's the only freshman on varsity.
How come you didn't put no shoes on?
Block it.
There we go!
And if you fight Luke Shaw left back.
They gotta put someone else
Oh!
on. They gotta put all this on. Oh my god, bro.
Is that your brother?
They gotta get
What's he? Hey, talk okay. What a run. Bang! See? See what I said? What I said?
Oh,
The best JV goalie.
A little
I've been telling you.
They hit it. Let's go.
Josh, I'm being so real. I told his parents that.
Run it, and down.
Yes, but like, I can at least defend myself. It's so bad.
But it works.
They switch everything. Oh my. He's not catching it. Yeah, what I said. He runs like an elbow. How do you see elbow? Except this phone.
I swear, bro.
And you. What a catch! Second. You didn't catch it. You've an ass.
That boy, good job. Good job.
If I have him yelling, no, I'm yelling. If he gets a hit, I'm yelling. Oh yeah, Austin! Oh yeah! He's gonna drop that! What oh yeah! Oh yeah!
Where's the Selly? Where's the Selly?
Sally! Fortnite floss!
Come on. Bro, you don't.
Bro! Bang!
Okay.
Oh, he's out. That's a double play. Wait, they're too slow. They're too slow.
That's low key, I think.
What a throw. Stop touching my head, bro. I'm not a mom. We haven't even shot him.
Settle down, buddy.
Now we're just going to go 30 and 0 in the next show. Bang! Oh, yeah! You got it! No!
Oh yeah, good play.
And she won't let him go. Crystal won't let Chris go. But I was like, legit, it was the only place open.
What a catch!
Where we were staying.
You got that?
Should be.
Clams!
Oh yeah.
And that's clams right there. Not bad for JV.
Bro, you gotta put this.
Bang! Whoa! Baseball's all about reflexes. Hey! Ejecto! Ejecto!
Jog it off.
Bo just told him to thumb it off. Right. So much better. No. No, like, I'm being so...
That a boy.
No, this year he's actually really good. Hey! I want that for you. What the fuck? So many things have to go their way. So we're being North. That's a double! Oh yeah! Oh no, that's a single. Let it go!
Oh yeah, I got
10 p.m.?